Hiya, in this video I'd like to show you how you can easily fix the topology of text after converting it to mesh object. So on the left you've got the white E letter converted to mesh and then extruded, and as you see the topology is mainly trees and it doesn't look right. And on the right side you've got the same E letter after fixing the topology. So let me show you how to do it. First let's delete everything from the scene as we need text. So A to select everything, then X to delete. And then Shift A and add a text. Then we can rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis, so RX90. Then when you hit Tab on the keyboard you can edit the text. So let's remove the text and leave just E letter. And now when you go to Object menu and you convert this letter into Mesh object, and after switching to Edit mode you've got this kind of mess. So to fix it is quite easy, but we don't need any of the edges inside the letter. So let's go back to the stage when we can edit the text. You can press Ctrl Z a couple of times and go back to this stage. And now as we've got our letter as a text, we can go to the text property. You need to click the text icon. And then in text properties we've got the resolution. So at the moment we've got 12, let's change it to 8. And below the fill mode, we need to change it to none. So now as we've got just outline of the letter, we can convert it to mesh. So go to Object, Convert and Mesh. And now when you switch to vertex mode, that's one on the keyboard, you see all the vertices that we've got in the mesh. And now we have to join them together and create a quads. So let's select the 4 vertices on the bottom and press F to fill. And then we can switch to edge mode, number 2 on the keyboard. And then we can select the inner edge, and by pressing the F key, we can fill all the bottom part of the letter. Then let's switch to vertex mode and see where else we can connect the vertices. So let's start from the top of the arch, select 4 vertices and press F. And then again switch to edge mode, select one of the edges and fill. The same on the other side. And now on the left side we have to add another vertex on the edge to make equal number of vertices on both sides. So Ctrl R for loop cut and we can cut the edge and create a vertex, and then we can select 4 vertices and F to fill, the same below and another one. And we can do the same on the other side. And now as we've got all the faces built up, let's switch to face mode, so number 3 on the keyboard. Let's select all of the faces and then I for inset. And now let's add some more loop cuts, so roughly we've got the same size of quads. So let's add 2 all around. Let's add 1 in the middle across the E letter. And then we can add a supporting edge all around and inside as well. And now we've got face select mode chosen, we can select all the faces and then E for extrude. Then we need to add some more geometry on the sides as well. So Ctrl R to add loop cuts, let's make 2. Then SY to scale it on the Y axis so they move on the sides, on the edges. And let's add 3 more in the middle. And let's do the same inside the letter. Okay, so everything looks fine. Let's add sub D modifier. So add modifier, generate and subdivision surface. And then we're gonna see how it's gonna look after the modifier. So we've got some rounded corners inside the letter. Let's fix it. We can add another loop cut there and slide it closer to the middle. The same on the other side. And we can fix the bottom of the letter by adding another loop cut. And let's increase the level viewport in subdivision modifier to 2. And now we can check lighting and shading. Let's switch to matcap and see how it looks. I think it's fine. Let's add some material to this. So let's switch to material preview, then click the material icon on the bottom, add new material, and then let's choose a red one. Let's increase the metallic and decrease the roughness. And I think all looks fine. So this way you can retopologize any letter you want, any text. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel for more. and see you next time. Bye!